are. We've got everything that has been powder coated, the axle housings, the frame, the associated parts. We've got them all gathered. Our springs from Walks. We're ready to start building this roller. We painted the springs so they would somewhat match the quality of powder coating from those guys over at Rugged Werx. Done such an amazing job. Our motor, thanks to OMIX-ADA, the associated components that they provided, Kaiser Willys, Milestar, and these Patagonias. Once we get this roller ready and ready to put on the ground, this is what it's going to be rolling on. So we're getting ready to start the assembly. We'll have more progress and videos for you soon. Thanks for following along. What we're going to be working on is a rear disc brake conversion. If you've ever considered doing a disc brake swap on a flat fender, an older CJ, FCs, it's a great upgrade. We sourced ours from Kaiser Willys. And again, once we get this put together, dropped on the ground, then we're going to start getting ready to get that motor set.
They put a nail in there and bent it over and used it another 2 years. Then the goddamn, just had a net thing on the sleeve where you put your drink in.
There's the peanut gallery over there. Yep, peanut gallery's watching, seeing how it's all going.
Oh, now that was nice.
Support.
Their support staff.
Technical support.
Technical support right there. Technical support.
Technical support is good, but engineer, no.
Testicle support. So let's just do a test run, because if we can get that, then I can get this one out of here, but I can't have you around that. See what I'm saying? So let's do this. I think that right there will support it. So let's just take that and knot that up for me. And then what I'm going to try to do is set everything in balance on that.
Oh, right there.
We finally have a rolling chassis here. I've got the motor, transmission, transfer case, all of those are freshly rebuilt, as well as the front and rear end. Drive lines are in. Disc brake on the rear is done. Front disc brake conversion is done as well. Special thanks to all these people that have helped us out. We can't say enough. I mean, look at the quality and the beauty of the powder coating done by Matt and Aaron over at Rugged Werx in Kinnear, Wyoming. The guys at Milestar, these Patagonia tires have just grown in popularity. We're glad to have them on there. They make a good look. It's just a good fit with what we're envisioning on this build. OMIX-ADA, outstanding, the help that they've been. We've sourced some stuff from Kaiser Willys, the front and rear conversion, so we've got separate YouTube videos on the install. So if you're curious about what it takes or the process of doing an upgrade to a disc conversion, check it out. But other than that, thanks for following along. Stay tuned. We will have another episode with new updates on our latest progress in the near future.